A trap went off. Wait, did it really? No. That means one of the mouses is dead. I don't want them be dead. Did I miss one? Maybe there's some up here. Is this our fence too? This one's good. No, they're good. They're still alive. Chat, did I miss a repair? Oh, that scared me for some reason. I'm good, though. At the front? Oh, right here, yeah. There we go. All right, chat, let's go to this barbecue, I guess. Golly, this is about to be a disaster. This is about to for real be a disaster, chat. Let's go. Oh, Lord. Now, if it was just me and bro, it'd be fine, but old dude's coming, too. Man, this is a party, ain't it? What's good, y'all? Barbecue time.